Friends, I am Vijay Pratap Singh, your teacher, and I am from belong to LPM Public School. It's your school. Now, your topic is aggregate demand. In last video, I had told about the aggregate demand, and now we will read next feature how we can able to calculate the linear consumption function. Two functions we will read here. First one is given linear consumption function and second one is a linear saving function. Two functions we will read here. In front of you I have written both formula. So once again we have to come on the formula how we can able to calculate linear consumption function and linear saving function. So once again revolution, when C equal to C bar plus B y, it is the form of also how we can calculate our linear consumption function. Otherwise, we can write it C equal to C0 plus B y. In another form, we can also able, if according to question, we will select our formula. Next one is given here C equal to A plus B y. If according to question what is the given inside, we will select our formula and we will calculate linear consumption function. Suppose for example, one question I have written in front of you. Suppose find consumption we will show with the help of capital C. If B equal to 0.8 and income we will donate with Y is 200 and C bar equal to 100. Then how we can able to calculate linear consumption function? Behalf of that, we will put formula which one is the given inside. According to that, we will put our formula. Suppose I have this formula inside here. C equal to C bar plus B y. According to our question, C bar is given 100 and after that B is also given 0.8 and next y is also given 200. That's why we will follow this formula according to our question. So now I have written this formula in front of you. After that we will put each and every value and after that we have to solve. So now come and we will put each and every valuation according to our question. Formula is C equal to C bar plus B y. Now we have to put the value of C bar, it should be 100 and next one B 0.8 and next one y is 200. Each and everything should be given in the questions. After that 100 plus 8 by 10 into 200 we will calculate it. We know very well how to solve these types of equations. Then we will solve and we have got 100 plus 160. According to question we have to calculate and we will add, then rupees 260 we had got it. Means consumption is 260 rupees. C equal to according to our question our consumption is 260 rupees. Listen once again. Find consumption. Then now we have put each and every value according to our questions in the formula and we had got last answer valuation of consumption C equal to 260. So now we can say that our consumption is 260 rupees. So now you have to write it, make a note. It's a very important part of your syllabus. With the help of that, you can able to calculate linear conjugation function. And suppose questions is came find conjugation, and with the help of these formulas you can able to calculate. Now second one is in front of you, linear saving function. Linear saving function. With the help of that we will solve about linear saving function. So in front of you I have written formula s equal to y minus c. First one, s equal to y minus c. Otherwise we can write it s equal to y minus c bar plus dy. According to formula we can able to put each and every value. So next one should be there, hence s equal to y minus c minus dy. This is the also solution of this equation. If we will solve this equation in the sequence wise, then we will get minus c bar. So here we have to do in the front, and positive we will send here dy. Then minus c bar plus y minus dy will be here, and now we will take common of y. Y को अगर हम कॉमन लेते हैं, you know very well, s equal to minus c plus 1 plus dy and y should be here. This is the process how you will calculate with the help of that you can able to know s equal to minus c bar plus 1 plus by. We had taken y common, then 2y is given here, 1y we will take common, then at the place of y we will write 1. So now we have to come on the point how we can able to calculate saving function. With the help of question, how we can know and how we can calculate saving. Okay, so in front of you I have written one question, find saving. Okay, if autonomous consumption is rupees 60 and MPC equal to 0.5 at 5,000 level of income, then we have to calculate saving. Then with the help of this formula we can able to calculate saving. Okay, when you will put the valuation of these all function, all equations, what is the valuation is given here. With the help of that you will get solution. So now we have to put each and every values what is the given inside in the question on this formula. At the place of minus c bar we have written 60. At the place of 1 we know that 1 should be there. At the place of b 0.5 and rupees 5,000 should be written here. After that when we will go in the second step, then we will solve it minus 60, 1 minus 0.5, then we will get 0.5 into 5,000. After that next step should be here, minus 60, when we will multiply 0.5 into 5,000, we will get 2,500. After that, minus and plus is given in front of you, we will solve it. Minus and plus is the maximum. Then we have to subtract from 2,500 minus 60 and we got 2,440 rupees. This is the valuation of saving. This is the valuation of saving. With the help of this example, we can able to find saving in help of this formula. That's why both formulas are very important part for you. So you have to write and make a note. Once again listen, linear conjugation function, and second one is the linear saving function. With the help of that we can able to calculate conjugation and with the help of second formula we can able to calculate saving. In both questions we had calculated here consumption, here we had calculated saving. That's why both formulas are very important part for you. With the help of these formulas you can able to calculate. So each and every formula you have to revise, write it, make a note. If any confusion should be there, you can ask in the classes. Live classes we are taking. If any suggestion and comment should be there, if you want latest video, you have to be subscribed. Okay? Now revise, make a note, wait for next video. Thank you.